Hello everyone, I am MD Shahyak Rishad, the project manager for the McMullin Building Deconstruction project at the University of Newcastle. Our proposal, prepared by Team 2, Parabuild Construction focuses not only on dismantling an old structure, but on doing it safely, efficiently, and sustainably as part of the university's STEM expansion strategy. So why reconstruct the McMullin Building? Built in 1965, the McMullin Building no longer meets today's standard for energy efficiency, accessibility, or functionality. Instead of traditional demolition, we are taking a sustainable deconstruction approach, recovering, reusing, and recycling as many materials as possible to minimize waste and environmental impact. This isn't just about tearing down a building, it's about giving its materials a second life. So, our project follows a four-step risk management process: identification, assessment, response development, and response control. Through this framework, we have addressed major risks such as asbestos removal, structural instability, community impacts, and weather delays. Each of these risks is continuously monitored and managed to keep our project safe, on time, and within budget. Our schedule and work breakdown structure ensures smooth coordination from mobilization to handover within a time frame of 155 days. Every stage from hazardous material removal to site rehabilitation is planned to achieve over 90% waste diversion from landfill. Now I would like to pass on the discussion to our construction manager, Maliha Rahman Proba. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Maliha, the construction manager for the McMullin Building Deconstruction. So here I was responsible for coordinating on-site execution, managing subcontractors, resources, and daily activities while ensuring compliance with safety, environmental, and schedule requirements. Because the work took place on a live university campus, our top priority was to ensure safe, efficient, and disruption-free delivery. We adopted a top-down control methodology to ensure structural stability. All utilities were isolated before physical works began, and asbestos removal was completed under licensed containment with negative pressure and air monitoring. After soft strip works, we used a high-reach excavator fitted with shear and pulverizer attachments to dismantle the structure systematically from top to bottom, and throughout the process mist cannons and water sprays minimized dust and maintained air quality. Then managing works on a live campus was our biggest challenge. We installed acoustic barriers and used real-time vibration and dust monitoring to protect nearby learning spaces. Heavy or noisy activities were scheduled outside lecture hours, and we implemented defined exclusion zones and one-way traffic routes to separate machinery from pedestrians. Materials were sorted on site, achieving over 90% recycling, fully aligning with the university's sustainability targets. For risk management, our risk management approach was proactive. We conducted daily pre-start and toolbox meetings to discuss site hazards and ensure crews understood their safe work method statements. The risk register was updated weekly, and we carried out joint safety inspections with the HSE manager. This consistent process ensured full compliance with the Safe Work, NSW, and EPA regulations, maintaining safety at every stage. Finally, the outcomes. As a result, we achieved zero lost time injuries, no disruption to university operations, and delivered the project on schedule and within budget. Our waste management strategy exceeded expectations with over 90% recycling, and our stakeholder feedback reflected strong communication and minimal campus impact. These outcomes highlight how effective our teamwork was. So, thank you everyone. My next part will be continued by HSC manager.
Thank you, Malia. As Malia mentioned, my role in this project is health, safety, and environmental manager. My main responsibility was to ensure that all the construction activities were conducted safely, sustainably, and in full compliance with environmental and workplace safety laws. As the health, safety, and environmental manager, I focused on three main areas: safety management, environmental monitoring, and regulatory compliance. For safety, my role involved identifying potential hazards such as structural instabilities, asbestos exposure, and heavy machinery operations. and making sure proper control measures were in place. Environmentally, I was responsible for monitoring dust, noise, vibration, and air quality to ensure we had minimal impact on the surrounding university environment. And in terms of compliance, our work followed Safe Work New South Wales, EPA standards, and the ISO 45001 and 14001 management systems. We conducted regular environmental checks, measuring noise vibration and air quality throughout the project. We also implemented continuous monitoring systems that helped us quickly respond to any incidences such as dust or noise above the seat limits. Daily toolbox talks and safety inspections were carried out to enforce safe work practices. All hazardous waste, including asbestos, was managed through licensed contractors with full documentations and clearance certificates. Now, I'd like to call Aaron, whose role is procurement and quality manager in this project. Thank you.
I'm procurement and quality manager. Ensure financial control and consistent quality across the whole project. Our procurement strategy mainly prioritize local contractor and reduce the logistic cost and support the regional economy. We make sure that all the hazardous material are safely removed from the area, and we make sure that all maximum material are recycled, and all the utilities and other connection are removed. And we will make sure that we will monitor daily and weekly basis. In daily basis, we will take some photos and regular feedbacks and checks, and also in weekly we will take update and visit the place, and also check the utility connection, and also we will take the KPIs from the worker, and also we will take feedback from the neighbors. We For environmental monitoring, we will make sure that all the dust are removed from that area, and noise and vibration are completely cancelled from our project, and we will make sure we have proper devices to measure them. In the cost, our main purpose is to reduce the cost. Maximum cost is taken by the structural deconstruction, which is 16.89, and we have taken 5% contingency allowance, which is the amount we are taken for unexpected cost or extra cost. Is the safe money we have keep for our other project. And for handover, the university will receive a complete documentation, safety certificate, waste logs, and clearance report. We will give guarantee to a fully compliant and ready site for the campus.